Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Rocking Data Science channel. In the previous video I'll talk about some ideas for unsupervised learning and most of all k-means. So if you are not watching this playlist, make sure you start from the beginning because it is very interesting, mostly if you are learning data science and machine learning. Now let's jump into the first project. The first one is about customer churn prediction. There are no companies that like to lose customers, and for that reason it's very important to try to understand and predict which customers might be churned. The goal here is to build a model that looks at the historical data and user data and then is able to predict if a given customer might leave the company or not. These type of models are very useful for a given company, and with it a company might take action to prevent customers to leave the company. In the second project idea, it is a very basic one and very known, especially if you are a beginner, this is ideal. This one is to classify flower species, and it is very well known within the data science community. And the goal here is to build a classification model that is able to look at the data and then classify each flower into its category or species. Now I will talk about two project ideas for regression. The first one is house price prediction. The housing market in each city is always an hot topic, so there are a lot of homes with a lot of specifications, and sometimes it's not easy to find a house with a fair price. So the goal here is to build a machine learning that learns the price of the houses looking at the data within the housing market within a city. And after this we are able to input the house data that we want to sell or buy and then understand if it is a fair price or not. Then the fourth idea is a very similar idea with the houses, but in this case we'll talk about cars. There are a lot of used cars in the market, so sometimes it's not really easy to understand if a price is really fair or not. So the goal here is to take all of that data in the available cars to sell or buy and then build a machine learning model on top of it. The model will be looking at data such like the kilometers it has, the age, the brand and also the models. So let's imagine that you have a car and you want to sell it, but you have no clue about the price you should list it. With a model like this you should have a pretty good idea of the price you should put for sale. Or imagine that you want to buy a used car. After building a model like this, you'll be able to understand if the price of the car that you want is at a fair price or not. Now, if you are up to learn more about machine learning and data science, feel free to check this playlist here, or if you want to put your hands on machine learning, check out this playlist here. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button to support this channel, and I hope to see you around, so cheers, bye.